Welcome to Tessitura Colombo Antonio. Born in 1960 and located in the area of the worldwide renowned fashion capital of Milan, Tessitura Colombo is the result of a family history of tradition and passion. Through the craftsmanship of a team of talented designers, Tessitura Colombo is able to anticipate the latest trends and transform them into beautiful and sophisticated designs. Our professional and experienced sales team is able to take care of our customers with not only a fast and efficient service, but also by providing a tailor-made assistance that guarantees satisfaction at all times. Technology advancement is a key element in our strategic vision. Every year, Tessitura Colombo invests in new machines and innovation, a process that has today resulted in a cutting-edge know-how and the utmost digitalized machinery fleet. Our yarns and raw materials are sourced and selected in collaboration with a group of chosen suppliers, making sure we are always providing the best quality possible. Today, our dyeing lab department represents the flagship of the production process, and it continues to grow thanks to more recent technology improvements. After 1996, Tessitura Colombo expanded its production capacity, creating its own in-house dye works. Every day, our machinery fleet and skilled manpower dye a variety of laces using different techniques, making the creative vision of our customers come to life. Tessitura Colombo is proud to consider itself an environmentally friendly company. Our firm has led significant investments for the development of advanced systems for water and air purification, in a constant effort to research for new and greener alternatives and implement them in our entire production process. Quality for us means being willing to go the extra mile to make sure every single little detail is aligned with the highest standards possible. From the single string of yarn to the shipment of the finished fabric, a team of qualified employees monitors the entire production to assure that every parameter fits its requirements. Our digitalized warehouse represents an incredible resource. In 1960, a husband and his wife, Antonio and Rosa, had a vision. Today, this vision has a name: Tessitura Colombo Antonio. Welcome to the family.